we are proud to introduce to you the Bicycle Supreme line playing cards. A new deck for magicians and cardists. Let's start from the beginning. These quality decks have no fiddly seals. But here are the really interesting features. The cards are traditionally cut. They're printed on crushed stock. And 3 specially printed cards are also included. Traditionally cut cards give an ultra-smooth handling with crisp and clean shuffles, especially with techniques like the faro shuffle. The thin crushed stock gives an exceptional new feel to the cards that are flexible, snappy, and will enhance any magic or cardistry performance. Also included in the deck are 3 specially printed cards for your magic effects. Bicycle Supreme line playing cards. A dream come true for any magician or cardist.